I am Aragon Samuel from 7C. How to make a jelly? The ingredients are 1 sachet of jelly powder, fruity acid, 700 milliliters of water, and 150 grams of sugar. The tools are jelly mold, scissors, spoon, pan, and stove. First, open the sachet. Then pour the powder into the pan. Second, pour 150 grams of sugar. Third, mix well jelly powder with 150 grams of sugar. Fourth, pour 700 milliliters of water. Then turn on the flame. Stir well until dissolve and boil. The jelly already boiled. Fifth, turn off the flame. Wait for 3 minutes, then add fruity acid and stir well. After 3 minutes, pour fruity acid. Stir well. Six, pour the solution into the jelly mold. Leave the jelly for a moment until it hardens, and the jelly are ready to be enjoyed. Thank you.